it's Heather from Blogs by Heather. Today's video is going to be on how to manually add Feedburner to your self-hosted WordPress blog. On the screen now is my WordPress blog, and we are going to walk through how to install Feedburner into the sidebar area. For now, we're going to jump over to Google. In the address bar, you're going to type in http://feedburner.google.com. And your screen will look very similar to this, where you're looking at a Feedburner login. Feedburner is owned by Google, so you may already have a Google account if you are currently using services such as YouTube, Blogger, Gmail, Google Analytics, Google Places, Google Translate. Any one of the popular Google free services will allow you to log in here using that email and that password. If you do not have a Google account, you can sign up one for free here in the upper right-hand corner, the red sign up button. It'll then ask you a few questions and you'll have an account quickly in just a few moments. Once you have your email, your password, you're going to click the blue sign in button. Now you are inside Feedburner. In this test account that I am using, you will see that there are already a few existing feeds that I used for my book creative blogging. So we're just going to ignore those and not worry about them. Where you want to focus is here, where it says burn a feed right this instant. That is where you actually wanted to type in your blog address. So for me, I am going to type in mine, and you want to type in your blog address. When you're done, you're going to click the next button. It'll identify some feed sources, and yours might look slightly different, but this is fine. You could also have a /RSS. I'm just going to keep the default. This is fine. We're going to click next. Here, what your feed title is, Blogs by Heather WordPress Hosting. That's the default because that's the name of my WordPress blog. So you can leave the default or you may change it. The feed address is what Feedburner is assigning. I would also leave that alone and then click next. We are then going to skip directly to feed management. And here we are inside of Feedburner. There's two components that I install on people's blogs. And one of them is an email component where people can subscribe to your blog via email. And the other one is what's called the Chicklet Chooser, which is the little RSS orange button that allows you to subscribe to someone's blog in a reader. So we're going to go to the Publicize tab. We're going to start with email subscriptions. And you may have to activate this service. And you only have to do this one time. Once activated, you will see we're going to quickly go down to the large text box, select all the code, copy. Now we need to go back to the WordPress blog. I am going to go to my dashboard. Yours will look again very similar. You're going to go to your appearance area, widgets. Again, this screen may look different for your WordPress blog as you might be using a different theme, but you will find the text widget and you will have sidebars over here. Yours might be called sidebar right, sidebar left, sidebar 1, sidebar 2. Mine is sidebar top and bottom. So I'm going to drag the text widget into sidebar top for title, subscribe to my blog, and I am going to paste in the code. I am not going to finish yet because I want to put in the other snippet of code, which is for subscribing via a reader. So we're going to jump back to the publicize area in Feedburner. And we're going to scroll down a little bit to Chicklet Chooser. I like choosing the smaller RSS feed button. And then again, scroll down, select and copy this code. We are going to go back to WordPress. And I am simply going to paste it at the bottom of this same text box. You could create another text box, it doesn't hurt, but I like keeping it all in one box. I'm going to click Save, Close, go to my Blogs by Heather WordPress hosting blog, refresh, and you will see it now in the sidebar at the very top because I did add it to my sidebar top area. The top box is where you enter your email address to subscribe, and then again you see the orange RSS button, subscribe in a reader area. Before concluding, I just want to go back to Feedburner and bring your attention to delivery options. Okay, you definitely want to check this out and select your time zone, which for me is Eastern, and then select a range where you would like your delivery to be. Like if you post in the morning, then you might want your emails delivered, say, in the afternoon. If you post in the evening, say 7 to 9, then you might want to deliver yours from 9 to 11. If you're posting late night, then I would say maybe 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. in the morning. So just select the time which is best for you and your posting habits, and then click Save. Okay, so that concludes today's tutorial. I hope you had a great time and hope to chat with you again. Have a great day.